Hi guys, so today I want to try out this bubble hair dye with my vision hair because my hair is like fully black, so the color will be like super darker than this, so like I don't know how it will turn out. In this packaging there is this a tube, instructions, and this thing to put around you. These. Open this and there's like a pair of gloves in it as well. So yeah, let's just start. So first you open this one. And then you open solution 1. And put it in here. And then you put in solution 3 into here. Okay, now you're gonna do this for about 20 times. Okay, that's about 20 times. I'm gonna start with my bottom part and then gradually up to my top. Okay, I'm gonna change my glasses so it's easier to work with. And make sure you wear the glove or else the dye will also dye your hands and fingernails. Alright, let's move to the toilet. Let's start. Yeah. So first you pump it. Take this off. Okay. Okay. Just gonna take my gloves off. Now I'm gonna put this over my hair. You can also use a plastic bag or something. And the reason to wear this is because apparently it heats up to make it warm inside so the color can absorb better. So this is how much I have used. Like there's only a tiny bit left, so it's definitely more than enough to use. Make sure you wear clothes that you don't mind to get dirty. So see you guys after 40 minutes. It's been about 35 minutes and I'm gonna take this off and wash my hair and shampoo it. And then after shampooing, I'm gonna use this, which this came inside that hair dye as well. And apparently you use this after you shampoo your hair and you leave it on for about 3 minutes. Yeah, and then after 3 minutes you wash it off. And apparently it helps to protect or improve your hair conditions. So yeah, that's nice. Take this off to show you guys what it looks like. It's like this. Yeah. Yeah, so you have to use like quite a lot of water to make sure the paint comes off. This is about the third time that I shampooed my hair, and there's still a lot of paint that needs to be washed out. Alright, so I have washed my hair and shampooed my hair for about 7 times, because like each time I shampoo there's like more pink coming out. So yeah, I have shampooed for about 7 times. I feel like if I shampoo it again, there will still be more pink bubbles, so I'm kind of like, maybe I should just stop. So yeah, but yeah, this is the final product. The color is not too light, but it's also not too dark. And when I was like washing my hair, the hair looks black and like all the pink are coming out. So I thought, oh my god, this is gonna fail, but it doesn't. Like my hair doesn't get lighter. It's still like black, but I like it. It's like how I wanted it to look. Like it's not too crazy. It's also quite neutral. Yeah. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye. Ooh, okay. I don't know if you guys can tell that my hair color changed, but yeah, from here you guys can see that the color did change, and it's like orangey kind of. It's been about 4 hours, and you can kind of see how it looks lighter, so it's not like fully black.